Hi everyone, I'm going to Christ University Bangalore and this is supposed to be my travel vlog. So let's start it. I started this vlog yesterday around the same time, but yesterday my emotions were all over the place. I was stressed, I was panicked, I was overwhelmed with emotions basically. So here's a small clip of yesterday. Hi. There's a lot of noise and I am very anxious right now. I'm so overwhelmed with emotions. First of all, my heartbeat is fast. It's very fast. Okay. So as you saw that clip, I couldn't speak anything. I was panicking basically. Okay, everything is pending right now. Nothing is packed basically. I have to start packing right now. So that's that. Then the college is opening on 18th and I will be reaching there on 20th and I'll be adjusting in the midweek. So even that was hitting me as well. Right now I'm little calm because I don't want my last days in Jaipur to be really panicking, and I want to enjoy my last hours in Jaipur and not just panic about everything which is going to happen in my life after this. So, and today was a good day because I went out with my friends. It was my friend's birthday and we went out for lunch. And here's a small clip of that, and we are just being very dramatic as we are. What is this beauty, huh? In this way. I just forgot I'm making a vlog. You're making a vlog? She made this beauty. Happy birthday, Shorty. It's your birthday. Bro, give me some content, yeah. Just don't be. Give me
content. I'm not Tanmay. You're not Tanmay.
Can you give me content? And that's the clip of us being very dramatic. We enjoyed a lot. The food was good, and then also we roamed around in the GT. I think it's only 48 hours from now, and after 48 hours I'll leave Jaipur. Sky today is so pretty. Got this new frame. Tell me, how is it? I got a mixed reaction just now. So you guys tell, how is it? So yeah, I'm like really sleepy right now. This is my sentence. Traveling is tiring and I just feel like I should sleep right now, but I can't. So much work is there and I should probably get back to packing ASAP or else I'll be panicking the very next moment. Hello again. It's the next day and I have to show you something. Don't judge me, but my room is a legit mess right now. It's just so messy. We'll do a transition, okay? This girl never completed this transition. So there, it's the next day. It's the day of my travel to Bangalore. Yesterday night I was so busy packing. Right now also we are running around collecting all the things.